In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to sell stocks inside of IBKR, also known as Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to sign into your account. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the Portfolio tab over here and find the specific stock, future, ETF, option you want to sell. From here, once you've found it, you'll simply need to right click on it, and then from here you can be able to click sell over here. Now from here, you'll be able to see over on the right hand side, you'll be able to see the sell order over here, and now you can choose how many quantity you want to sell. So let's just click this for now. You can also choose from shares to USD. You can add whether or not it should be a limit sell, market sell, or a stop sell. You can add the stop price if you want to do that, and the time in force. You'll also be able to attach orders, preview the sell, save the sell, or submit sell order. Down if you click advanced over here, you'll be able to see this page right here where you can order ticket, and you can change all of these options down here, like time in force, description, and all of these other ones. But from here, you'll simply need to click submit sell order, and then from here the order confirmation will pop up, and you'll just need to click transit right here. And as you can see here in the right hand side, you'll be able to see order filled and order submitted, and you'll just need to click OK, and then like this. And as you can see, my position went from 100 to 70, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!